Well, first we have a very good two managers behind of a scene, and then every single person trying to figure out each line has enough food for the kids. So I'm working the pizza line, and for me it's around like 300 students every day. Well, everything depends what we offer to the kids. You know, like for pizza, it's a lot of pizza. It's a lot of food. It's a lot of food we do in the back. Okay, so we have 5 different lines. We have a coffee bar, and then we have grab and go, which the Coppell ISD office is the ones create the menus on it. And then we have the premium, which is a little bit more healthy stuff or that thing. We have the traditionals, which is 2 lines, and we have the pizza. But as I say, like Coppell ISD is the ones make the menu for all of the kids.
I serve pizza, and sometimes, every day I would just put out milk or a Gatorade and water. I would just stock a lot, and I really like my coworkers because they're very sweet, and I really have a good time with them.
The people in the back, we work so hard to just make something like you like it or you deserve.